What's up, y'all? So it is 12:27 in the morning. It's 12 o'clock in the morning, and I'm sitting here reading my book. I was reading my book. I had my carrots and my ranch. You know, I like to dip my carrots in my ranch, and I get an email talking about your package has been delivered. Now I'm like, that's odd, because I don't have a package that has been delivered. So I go outside, 12 o'clock in the morning. On my porch is a package from Target, and I didn't go outside today, so I'm not sure. And when my mom came in, because usually if she sees a package on the porch, of course she picks it up, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know if this came like after my mom came home, because they don't knock on a door anymore, you know what I mean? Like, they don't knock on a door or like give you any type of notice. They just put your package down and they leave. So I go outside at 12 o'clock in the morning, and there's a package underneath the mat. So there's a mat outside, and there's a package underneath the mat on the porch. And I'm just like, okay. So we are filming this video at 12:28 a.m. 12 o'clock in the morning. I don't even know what's in here. So we're just gonna open this package together and see what's in here. So yeah. I don't want to wake nobody up because I'm not in my room right now. And my mama got to go to work tomorrow. Or she has to go to work in a couple hours. So I'm not trying to make too much noise. But we're going to get this video done because work is all I do. Okay, so this is the EOS. This is the EOS Shea Butter 24-hour moisture shave cream, Vanilla Bliss. It's a protective shea butter formula, works wet and dry, and it is natural shea. I love this stuff, y'all. This is literally like my favorite shaving cream that I have ever used. The Target brand is good, but this makes my legs and my underarms baby soft, and it's not it. My legs don't itch. There's no itch afterwards. Cause you know how like when your hair grows back, it be itching. And I'm Native American. So we are already hairy as fuck, you know, hence the full eyebrows and the hairy ass arms. But yeah, like I'm Native American, so we be hairy. We some hairy ass people, you know. So I be needing to shave. I actually got a little better with that because I kind of stopped caring. My bad, y'all. I had some carrots stuck in my teeth. But yeah, I kind of stopped caring after a while because it's just like, you know, what's the point? Like, I'm shaving, I'm doing all this work, and you know, like, what's really the point? Okay, so I'm trying to take this tape off. One thing I love about Target stuff is they gonna package your shit good. They gonna package your shit real good. And I love that about Target. I once got something from Walmart and they just put it on my step. Like, it wasn't in no packaging. They just put it on a doorstep. And I'm like, what the fuck? Like, y'all not even gonna try? Okay. Okay. So I've been pulling on it, as you can see. Oh shit. I was not trying to do that. But yeah, y'all, this is the shave cream. I had the pink one. I've never tried this one, but I have tried the pink one. This is the vanilla. Oh, that smells good. I am so excited to try this. I can actually use this tomorrow because I've been waiting for this because I need to shave. I need to shave my legs, so I've been waiting on this. The only thing I don't like about Target is that they stuff comes in like different packages. That's the only thing I don't like about Target. I need to try to put this on. Y'all see how I look right now? Let me see if I put the top on. Like, I'm gonna need you to snap back in place. Like, what is you doing? Oh, I think it screws on. Okay, it does. It screws on. Great. So this is what it looks like. And you can take the top off, and then it's a little pump. I like that it's a pump because you can control the amount that you get. You know what I'm saying? With the spray can shave creams, you can't really control how much comes out. You know what I'm saying? But with the pump, you can just pump and then do your legs, lather up your legs, and you're good. Entire bikini area approved, 24-hour hydration, derma tested and hypoallergenic, paraben and phthalate free, and cruelty free as well. And this says for your universal smooth for all hair, any type, anywhere, soothing aloe conditions and nourishes. Say hello to smooth, comfort, close shave. Say goodbye to nicks and cuts, irritation, and razor burn. I like this. Like I said, I've used this before. Just, it was the pink one and not this one. And this is gonna last as well. So I'm definitely going to... Non-foaming, that's one thing I like. It's a non-foaming shave cream. Definitely love this. Like, I suggest this product. The vanilla smells good and I love vanilla. Like, y'all, okay, y'all want to know how long it's been? I bought this book and this together. This is just now arriving. I've had this book for like a week now, and this is just now arriving. But yeah, so yeah, y'all, I just thought that was kind of bizarre, and I just wanted to do a video because it is an unboxing, and I wanted to let y'all know that this is the best shave cream that I've ever used. I've tried different shave creams, okay? EO is where it's at. Like, I'm never not gonna use EO, and I can use my Victoria's Secret scrubs I can use my Victoria's Secret exfoliating scrubs with this. And I'm excited because today's Friday. I'm finna see my man too, so I can smell like vanilla and use my vanilla scent stuff. And yeah, so if you want a good key to, like, if you want your stuff to last, if you want like your scents to last, use like, so like let's say your favorite scent is vanilla scent, right? Get vanilla scented products so your stuff can last. So, you know, you can get like a vanilla body lotion. You can get a vanilla perfume or body spray. You can get a vanilla body wash, get a vanilla shave cream. This is Vanilla Bliss. You know what I mean? You can get your vanilla stuff. And then that's how you layer your scents. That's how you smell good all day. You know what I'm saying? You layer your stuff. Get a vanilla shaving cream. Get a vanilla body wash. Vanilla bourbon. Okay. This paired with... So I'm going to pair this with my honey wash that I got from Victoria's Secret. And then I'm going to also pair this with my vanilla bourbon and my whipped almond body wash. And then I'm probably gonna use like my honey lotion so I can smell like a snack. Like, that's what I mean when I say pair your stuff. Like, make sure you are layering your scents so that they last longer. These are actually fabric scissors. My auntie is redoing these chairs that I'm sitting on. She's redoing the fabric. So yeah, let me put these back. Let me put those back. So yeah, that is the end of my video. I just wanted to record it for y'all and just, you know, show y'all, because I thought it was very bizarre. Like, that package is it's literally like 12:30, and that package has been out there for some hours, but nobody stole it. Well, I mean, nobody saw it because it was under the mat, you know. So yeah, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice, and make sure you follow me on TikTok as well. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.